What is up, you guys? I'm Alex with Bar Under the Stairs, and today we are going over one of my favorite classic gin cocktails, the Gimlet. The Gimlet is a cocktail that finds its roots in the British Imperial era. It was commonly drunk on Navy ships by the officers. Your general people who were just working the ship, everyday sailors, typically drank Navy grog, which was a rum drink, but the officers wanted something a little more sophisticated and a little more interesting. So they would blend London dry gin with Rose's lime syrup. Rose's lime syrup, if you are familiar or if you're not, is a cordial made from lime juice, lime zest, and sugar. At least that's how it was made during the 17 and 1800s. Modern day Rose's lime syrup is gross. It's predominantly high fructose corn syrup and artificial flavorings with a little bit of lime juice, citric acid, and food dye. So it's really easy to make your own citrus cordial. If you haven't seen our video, we will put a card up there or a link down in the description so that you can click over to that video and see how we did it. It doesn't take a lot of time at all. You can get it done in more or less 7 to 10 minutes. So you'll need a cocktail shaker, and then we are gonna start with 3/4 of an ounce of our house-made citrus cordial. Next up, we are going to use 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. And then we're gonna need 2 ounces of gin. Traditionally, you would want to use a London dry style gin, so that's what I'm gonna use. Today, I'm gonna go with the Sipsmith gin. I really love this gin. It's super flavorful, really nice and crisp, but you could also use Beefeater or Tanqueray, Bombay, Ford's. There are so many great London dry gins out there, and this recipe works for any of them. So we're just gonna go 2 ounces of our gin. And just add a little bit of ice and give it a shake. We're just gonna take a coupe glass after that. We're gonna get our Hawthorne strainer and our fine strainer. Just pour that right in. I'm serving this up, but you could absolutely have this drink on the rocks if you wanted. You could shake it up and just dump it right into the glass, and that would also be really just nice and refreshing. So, let's see how this one tastes. It's really tasty. It's just a really nice, kind of easily well-balanced cocktail. It's very ginny, so you've got all those juniper and bright flavors right up in the front. It's also very citrusy and tart. There's a lot of kind of bitterness and tartness from the lime cordial and from the lime syrup, and it's not really all that sweet at all. There's that little bit of perceptible sugar, little bit of sweetness, but that flavor is so mitigated that this drink is gonna be really pleasing to just about anybody who likes gin cocktails. All right, so that has been our modern take on the Gin Gimlet. I'm Alex with Bar Under the Stairs. And if you like this video, please leave us a like or a comment down below telling us what you liked about it or what some of your favorite gins are and what gin cocktails you would like to see us do in the future. And if you want to be notified when we put out more videos, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you guys soon.